We don't got for white on the east.
Welcome back to another episode of The Green Life with your boy TPG. We're here with a rare inside opening. Got ALG in the house. Can you say hi?
Hi.
We are going to be doing something we've never done on The Green Life before, folks. And that's try to grow our vegetables and flowers from seed. Can you say seed?
Seed.
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 We have got the Epic Gardening Seed Starter Kit.
Yeah.
We have some seeds. We have this groovy grow light. We got a heat mat underneath. And we have never done this before. So we are gonna do our best. And let's get this going. Okay, we got a whole bunch here. Might even be able to give some seeds to our friends. But we're gonna fill it with dirt. We got this ambiguous starting mix here. And what I'm doing is I'm just gonna take my seed starting tray. I'm just gonna dunk it. A little dunk sesh. I was at Dunkin' Donuts earlier this morning. But give it a little shake. And there we have it. There we have it. All right, so we're filling these up. We're gonna fill each one with seed. We're gonna spray them, get some water on there. This is a new challenge for your boy TPG, and the whole Green Life fam. I've never grown from seed before, so we're gonna try this. It might work, might not work. Yeah, that's right. So why are we doing it now? It's about the middle of March right now, and we got all these seeds. We got botanical interest seeds. We got some Epic Gardening seeds. And what we're gonna do is just look at the information that's on the packet, and most of them say like 4 to 6 weeks before planting, right? So that's gonna put us in May. So hopefully we'll get the garden in a little earlier than last year. And that will mean we won't have to be waiting for tomatoes. Because we don't wanna wait for tomatoes, right, Annabelle? There's nothing worse than waiting for tomatoes. Would you agree?
Yes.
Yeah, I agree.
We could put some tomatoes in there.
Put a teeny bit more dirt in there? Okay, put it in. Probably gonna plant 6 of these Cherokee purples. This says to start outside 4 to 6 weeks before transplanting. Okay, it's like 65 outside right now, but we're gonna keep these inside. More on that later. Annabelle's first tomato. Matthew's gonna push it in, cover it a little bit.
Ooh.
So we have planted the first seeds,
Yeah.
the Cherokee purples.
A dairy purple.
Next one, this one. Each one's gonna need a hole.
I did.
Okay.
So,
One hole for daddy, one hole for daddy.
wait.
Okay, you got your seed? Okay, now pick it up with your other hand and put it in one of your holes. Go put it in one of the holes.
Wait, this one?
Yeah, drop it in, babe. How's that feel?
No, cover it with dirt.
Cover it with dirt. Good job. Can daddy do one?
Yes.
All right, there's my seed. We'll put it down, picked it up, and it goes right in. I'll do one more. You covered it with dirt?
Okay.
First time ever really planting anything from seed like this, you know, it's kind of weird. It's a little like anticlimactic. Like I'm like, give me that tomato now. But that's life, dude. It's definitely about the journey, and we are definitely exploring on the journey. What a thrill. That woodpecker, dude. Sounds like the Predator. Sick, dude. Get to the chopper. We don't want the birds to eat our seed, right? Where is he? He's up there. Definitely don't see him.
Hey, Green Lifers.
Yeah.
Do a thumbs up if you can see him.
There you go, folks. I do need to get some basil. That's essential. Get some green basil. I'll try to cop those in a little bit. Probably go to my local garden spot. But it's pretty sick, dude. We have started the seed starting journey. The road to gazpacho, the road to pizza sauce has begun, dude. The epic journey. So, any final words for the people at home, Matthew? Any final words for the people at home, BPG?
First word is
Annabelle, any final words?
Oh, yes. We have a good gardening.
A good gardening. Okay. That's right, folks. It's going to be a good gardening. You guys already know. Keep exploring.
Welcome to the Green Life with your host TPG. Tune in maybe once a week. I promise it'll be a treat.